What's up, everybody? Zach here, and I had some time today to make and attach the drawer faces and also attach the drawers to the slides. I had to adjust my plans a little bit because from Jay Bates, I think I had 4 to 5 inches in height to my whole station, so that's why the top drawer is bigger. And I wanted to make my own drawer pulls, so I believe I got these from Build This, Fix That, or Fix That, Build This. He had a pretty cool tutorial on a couple different pulls. So I put one on. I think it looks awesome. It's cool contrast. It's Mahogany that I got from my friends at Meyer Woodworks in Glenside. They had done a really big project and they had so many cutoffs that they had to get rid of that they gave me a whole bucket full. So I got stuff like, stuff they're using for to make railings and whatnot, a whole bunch of it. So I decided to use it for this. This way I don't have to stain it. It already has a really nice brown color to it. And it's pretty easy to install. Just centered it on there, pre-drilled, and then I just countersunk 2-inch screws to get through because this is 3/4 ply. So I need to get through both the drawer front and the drawer front and the drawer itself, plus into the pull. I think it's working out pretty well. See if you can look at these up close. Really nice wood. Just 2 15-degree cuts on the long side, and then same thing on either end. I think it came out awesome. And if you can tell, I have a little top drawer. You can see there's a little mistake up there, but what are you going to do? That's why I'm building this, so I can learn cabinetry. There's no way to learn without making some mistakes, which I did, and I corrected some of them. We're getting there. Just wanted to give everybody a quick update. I hope everyone's out there building some new stuff, and so where I'm at so far. And without a doubt, having a new cabinet saw compared to my job site saw, which worked. I did a lot on the job site saw, but nothing compares to having this thing. It's just a beast. Everything's straight. The table's bigger. The fence is bigger. It cuts awesome. So that's where I'm at. Hope everyone's having a good weekend.